Welcome to the world of mathematics. This is Atemkate Academy. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to do so by clicking on the red button below to subscribe. The purpose for this channel is to make knowledge accessible to the world, so please don't forget to share and give a thumbs up. Welcome to Surds Part 3. Our main objectives here are addition and subtraction of surds, multiplication of surds, and division of surds. Let's look at how we can add or subtract surds numbers. In general, if we take two surds, a plus root b plus or minus c plus root b equals to a plus or minus c plus root b plus or minus root b. Also, if we take the surds, a root b plus or minus c root b, it will be equals to a plus or minus c root b. Here we notice that the rational part add or subtract the rational part, and the irrational part add or subtract the irrational parts. Multiplication of surds. Root a times root b is equals to the root of a times b. In general, the n root of a times the n root of b is equals to the n root of a times b. But the m root of a times the n root of b is not equals to the m root of a times b and not equals to the n root of a times b, because m is not equals to n. Division of surds. In general, root a on root b is equals to the root of a on b. That is, the n root of a divided by the n root of b is equals to the n root of a on b. This is because their roots are the same. N is equals to n. Note, when the roots are different, that is m and n, this doesn't apply because m is not equals to n. Now let's use some of these rules to solve some examples. 1. Write each of the following surds as a complete square root. Root a. 9 root 3. b. 6 root 2. Let's take a. 9 root 3, which is the same as 9 times root 3, is equals to root 9 raised to the second power times root 3, which is equals to the root of 9 squared times root 3. This gives us root 81 times root 3, which is equals to the root of 81 times 3, which gives us the root of 243. b. 6 root 2 is equals to 6 times root 2, which is equals to the root of 6 raised to the second power times root 2, which is equals to the root of 6 squared times root 2. This gives us root 36 times root 2, which is the same as root 36 times 2, which gives us root 72. Example 2. Express the following in the simplest form. A root 500, b 2 root 6 minus 4 root 6, c root 5 plus root 20, d root 12 minus root 75 minus root 192. A root 500, which is equals to the square root of 100 times 5, which is the same as the square root of 100 times the square root of 5. The square root of 100 gives us 10 times the square root of 5. We have our answer 10 root 5. b 2 root 6 minus 4 root 6. Here we subtract the rational parts together. 2 minus 4 root 6. This gives us minus 2 root 6. C. Root 5 plus root 20. Here we make sure that the irrational parts are the same. Therefore, we are going to have the root of 5 plus the root of 4 times 5, which is equals to root 5 plus root 4 times root 5. This gives us root 5 plus 2 root 5, which is equals to 3 root 5. Example D. Root 12 minus root 75 minus root 192. We should always make sure that one of the factors are the same. Therefore, we are going to have the root of 3 times 4 minus the root of 3 times 25 minus the root of 3 times 64. This is the same as root 4 times root 3 minus root 25 times root 3 minus root 64 times root 3. This will give us 2 root 3 minus 5 root 3 minus 8 root 3. This will give us 2 minus 5 minus 8 root 3. Our answer will be minus 11 root 3. Example 3. Simplify each of the following. A. Root 63 on root 7. B. 8 root 12 on 2 root 3. Looking at our division law, which says that the root of A on the root of B is equals to the root of A on B. We are going to use this law to simplify the following fraction. Root 63 on root 7 equals to the root of 63 on 7. This will give us the root of 9, which is equals to 3. Applying the same law on B, we'll have 8 root 12 on 2 root 3, which will be equals to 8 on 2 times the root of 12 on 3. This will give us 4 times the root of 4, which is equals to 4 times 2. This gives us 8. Let's try this exercise. Given that root 2 is equals to 1.414, root 3 equals to 1.732, root 5 equals to 2.236, root 7 equals to 2.646. Simplify the following, leaving your answer to 4 significant figures. A. Root 20. B. Root 300. C. Root 112. After solving the above exercise, you can verify your answers here. A. 4.472. B. 17.32. C. 10.58. Remember, your answers are to be in 4 significant figures. Thanks for watching. If you want more of Mathematics by Atemkate Academy, just click on the notification bell below to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to encourage us. Thank you.